This isn't caramel. This is real butterscotch sauce.
Hey, so this week we're going to be using the All New Purity Cookbook to make homemade butterscotch. Quick and easy, but delicious nonetheless. Let's go. Okay, so we've got butter. We've got brown sugar. And we've got corn syrup. And all we're going to do is we're going to get this started, mixed together, and then we're going to heat it up to 238 degrees with the old candy thermometer. And then we're going to take it off the heat. All right, we got it mixed up as best we can. And the trick here now is that we don't stir it whatsoever while it's on the heat. And we're just going to watch the thermometer rise. And here we are sitting at about 150 degrees and still going. All right, we're at 238, and all we're going to do is take it off the heat now. We're going to let it come down to room temperature. All right, so she's lukewarm now. We're going to add half a cup of cream and a teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to mix this up. Or it's a giant brick.
What? What an idiot! Oh, what a loser! Good. Good. More for me.
I might need to warm it up. Well, the good news is after putting it back on medium heat, I think it's starting to melt back in with the cream. So lesson learned, don't let this stuff cool too much. Okay, so crisis averted with a little bit of heat to get the sugar melted. It's mixed right up with the cream and vanilla. So here we have a nice warm kind of butterscotch going on. And what we're going to let it do now is cool this to room temperature. And then we're going to serve it on ice cream. All right, and now it's time for the moment of truth. And there we go.
Hi, I'm Wilford Brimley, and I've had diabetes for about 20 years.
Okay, and oof. I think it's impossible to have bad butterscotch. Phenomenal, super easy to make. Obviously, I recommend it to go in ice cream. So, the new Purdy's Cookbook, butterscotch. That huge thumbs up from me.
Welcome to Vert Der Ferk, where one random cookbook decides what's for dinner, and destiny decides the rest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more cookbook roulette adventures.